In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram reset algorithm option, not showing on your Android phone. First, you need to make sure your Instagram app is up to date. You can do that by going to the Google App Play Store and search for Instagram. If the button shows update instead of open, then you need to update to the latest version. If that doesn't work, you will need to reset your app. Go to the settings icon on your Android phone. Tap on apps. Then search for the Instagram app. Tap on it and select the storage and cache option. You can tap on the clear cache button, but what you really need is to clear storage. Tapping on that and confirm by selecting delete. This will reset the app to factory settings. If the reset suggested content does not show up on the app, you will probably need a free VPN, as your country may not have that feature yet. You want to switch it to the US and you will be able to see the option. Thanks for watching.